What's up YouTube? It's Joel. I'm gonna show you how to get over $1,000 in free money with my simple money hack. If you are in a bind and you need some cash, or maybe you spent too much money during the holidays, then this is the solution for you. It's also gonna help you with saving, building some cash reserves, and being smarter with your money. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell to learn more about making money, getting free money, and hooking up your finances. So this is a super easy hack for your finances, but there is only one thing that you need in order for this to work, and that is direct deposit with your job or whatever pays you of being able to do direct deposit. That's it. If you got that, then we can move on to the next steps to get you hooked up with over $1,000. So this to me is the easiest way to get you quick, fast cash for free. You can do this multiple times, and I in fact have done it 3 times and have received over $1,000 in cold hard cash. So down in the description there are 2 links. Each will take you to 2 different websites showing you these banks' new checking account offers. Now, if you are wanting to check out some different options in your area, then type this into the Google search bar: New Checking Account Offers 2022. Or if you're watching this after 2022, type in the year that we are in. But you will automatically see options like this: earn $200 with PNC Bank, $225 bonus with checking account, earn up to $1,500 cash offer. Yes, these banks want your business so bad, they're willing to put an upfront investment into you to earn your business. Now, the best part about this is that you don't have to just choose one. And I know some people are saying, Joel, why would you want more than one bank? That's just crazy. Well, for one, this is free cash. And if you're in a pinch, it doesn't matter. Ain't nobody turning down $1,000 plus in free money. And second, it's smart. It's going to help you budget and save money, which we'll get to in just a moment. But this is not credit cards. This is dealing with debit cards, so you're not getting into more debt. So you go through and you search, and based upon your local area, you can see which banks or local banks, or even my favorite, credit unions, are offering you free cash to sign up a new checking account with them. Now, like I said, before they usually require a direct deposit setup, but they usually don't specify an amount that you have to direct deposit. So even if you just put $15, $20, $25 into that specific account, then it's going to get you in to get you some free cash. Now let's get into why I recommend 3 accounts and how this can help you budget and save money. First and foremost, if you have one bank account, then you're already losing when it comes to your banking and your finances. For one, you're not getting all the free money you can get, and number 2, you're not getting all the options in terms of financing and deals that you can get when you are making and dealing with your finances, like buying a house, buying a car, getting personal loans, or consolidating your loans. I'm going to make a separate video showing you why you should have one national bank, one local bank, and one credit union for your 3 banks, but that'll be in a separate video. But back to how it will help you save money and budget. For example, say you make $500 a week. You can take $25, put it into one bank, and that's going to be your emergency savings account. This is going to be the out of sight, out of mind account. If you don't see it, you're not gonna spend it. In 1 year, if you put just $25 each week, that will total up to $1,300 in just 1 year into your savings. Bankrate did a survey and they found that only 39% of respondents could handle a surprise bill for the amount of $1,000, while another 38% would have to borrow the money through credit cards, family, or other means. So this definitely puts you in a safe place to cover any emergency expenses that may happen, because you never know when stuff happens. Then you can take, say, another $50 and put it into your other checking account. And this can be your active savings account. When I say active, I mean it's a checking account, but you use it as a savings account. But this can be used to cover expenses like birthday gifts, Christmas gifts, and vacations. Then you have your third bank. This is the one where the rest of your check goes. This is going to cover your bills, your rent, your mortgage, your gas, and other expenses. But if you do it like this, not only are you budgeting your money and making sure you're being intentional with your money, but it also keeps you from putting all your eggs into one basket. If you do your finances like this, it's gonna keep you in control and make sure that if something unexpected happens, say with one bank, with one card, because it has, you always have a backup. To me, you always wanna have a backup, a plan B for emergencies, because you just never know. Now, you can set these up and get you some free money and hook up your finances, but if you have any questions, please comment down below and I'll do my best to answer them. But please don't miss out on this. It's easy money and it's a smarter way to do your finances. But if you want me to do a full breakdown of how I do my banks, which banks I have chosen, and how I make sure to stay in my budgets, then comment down below and let me know. Because I really want to help people out. I grew up with nothing. I didn't have a silver spoon growing up in my mouth, but I worked hard and I learned how to hack my way into saving and making sure that I can budget and have money for my family and do better with my finances. And I want to help you out too. So let me know. But please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all stimulus and economic news that affects you, and learn how to build some wealth with some awesome money hacks. This is Joel with True Life Investing. Until next time, peace out.